Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about normal. Now, in the previous class we have learned about tangent to the ellipse. Now we are going to learn the normal to the ellipse. Normal. Okay. Now, take the diagram. Okay. I think this is a tangent and this is tangent. This is normal and this is perpendicular. The normal is always perpendicular to the tangent, and we have to write like this: a perpendicular line, a perpendicular line, a perpendicular line of tangent is a perpendicular line of tangent is called normal, and passing through the point of contact. A perpendicular line of tangent is normal. According to a perpendicular line, this is a perpendicular line or tangent is normal and it is passing through the point of contact. Now, so we have a right up to here. Okay. Now, equation of the tangent, right? Now write down equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent. We know that x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, or otherwise we have to change like x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. Okay, I need y1 by b square equal to minus x1 by a square plus 1. Now I need here we have to find y means y equal to b square y1 into minus x1 by a square plus 1. Now y equal to multiply b square a square b square x1 a square y1 minus of x plus b square y1 b square y1. Look at once. B square by y1 into here minus x1 by a square. B square x1 by y1 a square y1 into x. This is b square minus b square x1 x by a square y1. Okay. This is plus b square by y1. Now compare with y equal to mx plus c. Compare with mx plus c. Here y equal to minus mx plus c. In the place of m, which one is there? Here m equal to, the place of m, which one is minus b square a square x1 y1. In the place of m, minus b square x1 by a square y1. We know that here this is tangent, this is tangent, this is normal. Here two lines are perpendicular lines. Two lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of slopes is minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So this is m1. This is m1. This is the slope of tangent. So what we have to take, the equation of tangent is taken here. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the tangent. So we got the m1 with the slope of the tangent. So m1, I need m2. That means minus 1 by m1. By taking m2 here, m2 equal to minus of 1 by minus of b square minus of b square x1 by a square y1. So we got m2 here. Then m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. Minus 1 by minus b square x1 by a square y1. Now m2 equal to minus into minus plus. That means a square y1 by b square x1. This is m2. It is the slope of normal. Write down slope of slope of normal. This is slope of normal. Now, so we have to find the equation of the normal. So, the equation of normal equal to, so we have a formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. We have a formula. Why? So when the slope, when the 2 points x1 y1 is given and slope is given, we have a line formula, equation of a line, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here we got m2, m slope value. What is it? A square y1 by b square x1. Now substitute y minus y1 equal to m a square y1 by b square x1 x minus x1. Now by the transposition, b square y minus y1 by y1. Now a square x minus x1 by x1. Okay? We have to write another way. So take only b square by y1 into y minus y1 by the transposition a square x1 by x minus x1. Now, okay, mt equal to a square y1 by b square x1. Then the equation of the normal. Now we have to find the equation of the normal. If you know the slope of the line with the 2 points x1 y1, we can get the answer by using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to a square y1 by b square x1. So by the transposition, b square by y1 into y minus y1 equal to a square by x1 into x minus x1. Now, okay, b square y by y1 minus b square y1 by y1 equal to a square x by x1 minus a square x1 by x1. So by the multiplication, y1 both are cancelled, x1 both are cancelled. Now by the transposition, a square minus b square equal to a square x by x1. This is plus value. By the transposition, it becomes minus value. B square y by y1. So the equation of a square x by x1 minus a square. See, a square is transposed to the here, minus a square becomes plus a square. Here minus b square. Here a square x by x1. This is plus. By the transposition, it becomes minus. So the equation of normal a square minus b square equal to a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1. Okay, this is the equation of normal. Okay, Okay, we got m2 like a square y1 by b square x1, slope of the normal. By taking slope of the normal, the equation of the normal. So here this is a formula, we know that y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x. Y minus y1 equal to a square y1 by b square x1, x minus x. Okay, by the transfer b square by y1, y minus y1 equal to a square by x1 into x minus x1. Okay, a square minus b square equal to a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1. The equation of the normal. A square minus b square equal to a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1. This is the equation of the normal. Now, okay, now we are going to do handsheet 2. In handsheet 2, first problem. First problem. The equation of tangent, equation of tangent, equation of tangent to the ellipse, to the ellipse 9 x square plus 4y square equal to 0 equal to 20. At the point minus 4 by 3 comma 1 is, okay, now the given ellipse 9x square plus 4y square equal to 20. 9x square by 20 plus 4y square by 20 equal to 1. Now x square by 20 by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1. Now the equation of tangent at the given point, minus 4 by 3 comma 1, okay, x1 by 20 by 9 plus y1 by 5 equal to 1. So substitute x1, y1 values. X into minus 4 by 3 by 20 by 9 plus y into 1 by 5 equal to 1. Okay. The given ellipse 9x square plus 4y square equal to 20. 9x square by 20 plus 4y square by 20 equal to 1. X square by 20 by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1. The equation of the tangent minus 4 by 3 comma 1. X1 by 20 by 9 plus y 1 by 5 equal to 1. Substitute x1 and y1 values. Now x into minus x into 4 by 3 into 9 by 20 plus y by 5 equal to 1. 3 times 1 time here 3 times, 4 times 1 time here 5 times. Minus 3 into minus x into 3 minus 3x by 5 plus y by 5 equal to 1. Now minus 3x plus y equal to 5. Then 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this is which one option? 3x minus y plus 5, third option. Okay, this is the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent. Okay. The equation of tangent to the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square equal to 20 at the point minus 4 by 3 comma 1. So we have here ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we have to convert in that formula and take x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. Then after we have to substitute x1 y1 values. Then we have to get 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay, next problem. Second problem. If 4x plus y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 0, then the value of k, the given ellipse is x square plus 3y square equal to 0, not 0. Here not 0, this is take 3. Now x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 equal to 1. Then x square by 3 plus y square by 1 equal to 1. So here a square equal to 3 and b square equal to 1. Now the tangent, the given tangent given tangent 4x plus y plus k equal to 0, y equal to minus 4x minus k equal to 0. Compare with y equal to mx plus c. Now here m equal to minus 4, c equal to minus k. C equal to minus k. Okay, we have the condition of the tangent C. We know that c square equal to a square m square plus b square. C square equal to a square m square plus b square. It is the condition of the tangent C. Now we got m equal to minus 4, c equal to minus k. Take the condition of the tangent C. See, c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Now c square means minus k whole square, a square means 3, m square means minus 4 whole square, b square means 1. Now minus k whole square means k square equal to 3 into minus 4 whole square means 16. 3 16 is 48. 48 plus 1, then k square equal to 49 and k equal to plus or minus root 49. That means plus or minus 7. Plus or minus 7. We have an option, second option, plus or minus 7. The value of k equal to plus or minus 7. Okay, if 4x plus y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 0, then the value of k, the condition of the tangent c square equal to a square m square plus b square. What is the c value here? Minus k whole square equal to 3. 3 means a square, we got the a square value 3. M means compare with y is equal to y equal to mx plus c. In the place of m, there is a minus 4. 3 into minus 4 whole square plus 1. Then 3 16s are 48. 48 plus 1, 49. Then k equal to plus or minus root 49. Then k equal to plus or minus 7. So this is the value of the k of second option. Okay students, this is the class of the today.